So I'm here right now to address only a handful of you. It doesn't matter to me that there are 10,000 people in the room because I'm targeting 100. With 100 committed people, I can change the world. The rest of you can come, sit, watch, perhaps learn. But to the 100 people here whose lives are about to change, and you know it, and I know it, because the fire is burning inside of you. You need to change. You need to make a difference in your life. There's something so critically important that you need to go back and change. Are you with me? Whatever it is, it's important enough that you're willing to sacrifice anything to do it. You're willing to pay the price. So your only purpose in life over the next 5 days, and I'm only talking to the 100 of you who have come here to change their lives. The rest of you, please sit back and listen. You can go back to sleep. You can take it easy. Have a good holiday. After all, it's Dubai. But to the 100 people, I'm saying to you, don't wait. Time waits for no man. Time is not yours. It was never yours. It's not yours to give away. It's not yours to take. All that you have right now is today. Wake up today. Do it now. I only want that 100 people. The rest of you, like I said, can sit back and listen. Watch the entertainment. To those 100 people, stand up and tell me you'll do it now. I can't hear you, Baba. You all sound like you're very tired. I say, do it, you say, now. Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Come on, you can do better than that. Do it!